In this video, I am going to show you the top 7 ways that you can make money with PayPal. And this list is in no particular order. So I am going to start with the first one, which is taking surveys to earn money. This is not going to make you big money, but it's good enough as a side income. Okay, if you have a few minutes to spare during your day and you want to share your opinion, why not get paid by taking surveys online? All right, and there are a lot of websites. There are different websites that you can choose from. Not all of them will allow you to get paid with PayPal. Some of them provide various options like gift card and the likes. The most popular survey website that a lot of people use to make PayPal money is Survey Junkie, and it's one of the most reputable amongst them all because there are a lot of scam survey websites that they won't pay you when the time is due. So if you want to know any survey website that is legit, all you basically want to do is come to trustpilot.com and then you type in the name of the survey company here and see their ratings. As you can see here, it got an excellent pass of 4.4 ratings, as you can see right here, from 31,000 people. Okay, so this website is really legit and they definitely pay. So if we come to the website at surveyjunkie.com, as you can see right here, it says take surveys and get paid. So basically they just want to get your opinion on some services, on some products. You know, by getting your opinion, they will be able to improve their services or their product, which in turn they pay you for your time. All right, so basically just as you can see here, take surveys, earn reward, get paid. All right, so when you get paid, just like I mentioned, either through PayPal or gift cards. As you can see here, there's a review here also from Trustpilot. So basically they pay as long as you complete the surveys and you give them accurate information. All right, so basically you can read the website and learn more about how it works. And the second one that is also way popular in this survey industry is Swagbucks. You can also see right here, out of 24,000 reviews, it got an excellent with a 4.3. So you can also use Swagbucks to increase your earnings with survey. And Swagbucks also gives a lot of ways that you can earn money, not just with surveys alone. And not to mention that once you register on this website, they are going to give you $10 for just signing up on the website. All right, just as you can see right here, join free and get $10 bonus. So you can sign in with your Gmail, your Facebook, or whatever you like. All right, as you can see here, you can see these top companies on this website, which means it's actually legit. Just like Survey Junkie, you can see here you earn points and then you get paid in PayPal or gift card. They've paid over $600 million to their members. As you can see here, they also have a good review right here. You can see they give over 7,000 gift card every day. So basically you can join this website if you want to make money with completing surveys. All right, so there are a lot of other websites like this. Just like I mentioned, you want to make sure you come to Trustpilot first to verify that this website will actually pay you. If you decide to request for payout, it's very, very important because you don't want to invest your time completing surveys and at the end of the day they don't pay you. So you want to do your research. So the second way that you can make money with PayPal is by becoming a writer. If you know you are very good at writing, then you can also get paid by writing ebooks, by writing blog posts, by writing articles for businesses. You can get paid by copywriting for business to business, which is also known as B2B, or you can get paid by doing copywriting for business to customers, which means you are going to get paid for a brand which want to make money via their customers, or you want to get paid for a business which want to make money with other businesses. All right, and usually a lot of them will pay you through your PayPal account. So you can also use other freelancing platforms like Fiverr Upwork if you don't want to work directly with businesses or with websites. So you can use those platforms as well. So basically, that is the second way to make money online with PayPal. The third way that you can make money with PayPal is by doing graphic design. If you are good at creating amazing design, why not monetize your creativity and make money with PayPal? It's possible to make money with PayPal. You can design custom t-shirts, you can design websites, if you can design logos, if you can design business card, flyers. A lot of companies are willing to pay you for your skill as long as you are very good at it. So you want to make sure you set up a portfolio. You can set it up on Instagram, on YouTube, or wherever you want to set it up. So businesses or brand will have confidence in working with you once they see your portfolio. So there are also websites like Press Cafe, where all you need to do is to create your own store and then or your website to showcase your portfolio and then land your clients. All right. There are also other websites like Dribble. You have other websites like 99 Designs. So there are a lot of freelance websites. You can use Fiverr as well if you like, or Upwork. And also, if you don't want to work with any freelance website, you can create your own website and you can get paid with PayPal from there. All right. So the fourth way that you can make money online with PayPal is by affiliate marketing. And for those who don't know what affiliate marketing is, the way affiliate marketing works in a nutshell, you basically promote other people's products and they give you a commission when you make a sale for them. It's that simple. That is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So you can create a website or you can create a blog. You can even create a YouTube channel for promoting other people's products and you get a commission whenever you make a sale. So you can just write, for example, if you want to create a website, you can just write a simple article on a website about maybe your favorite gadget or your favorite product or a product that you've used and how it helped you. So you can make such content and you can publish it online. So for those who come online to read that content, if they find value in it, then they will be enticed to make purchase for that product. And once they do, you make money and they get the product that they want. So there are a lot of affiliate programs to work with. Okay, there's ClickBank, there is Digistore24, there is you can also use Shopify as well. Shopify has an affiliate program as well. So there are a lot of affiliate programs that you can work with. So whether you have an experience or not, you can get started with affiliate marketing and start making money. So the fifth way that you can make money with PayPal is by selling products on your own website. So you can create your own website and you can host your own product on your website and get paid. And this also means you can drop ship other products on your website. You can go on Alibaba or AliExpress. You can list those products on your website and get paid directly through your website. So once people make purchase from your website, then you are going to deliver the product to them. Or you can sell an ebook on your website or an artwork on your website. So whatever it is, you can come up with whatever you think you want to sell and you can host it on your website and make money from it. All right. So basically, there are a lot of software that will allow you to integrate PayPal into your website so you can make money with PayPal straight from your website. So the sixth way that I recommend that you can make money with PayPal is by becoming a virtual assistant. So this basically means, just like it says, you are going to assist people with some task and they pay you for your time. So for example, if you know how to manage a website, you can help businesses to optimize their website. You can help them manage their email. You can help them to optimize their content for search engines. You can help them to manage their social media accounts, just to name a few. Actually, there are a lot of ways you can become virtual assistant for people, and they are going to pay you part time or they are going to pay you full time based on the level of experience that you have in whatever your skills are. So the last way that you can make money with PayPal is by becoming a transcriptionist. Basically, you are going to transcribe articles and you get paid. All right, there's a website called transcribe.me which allows you to make up to $25 per audio. All right, you are going to make up to $25 per audio. So let's go to the website real quick. So basically, you can come to this website and you can transcribe articles for people and they are going to pay you for your skills. All right, if you are very good at transcribing, then you want to come onto this website, you can register directly. You can start getting your payment straight to your PayPal. If you want to make consistent and passive income online, then I recommend you do CPA marketing because you don't have to sell a product, you don't have to sell any services with CPA marketing. Basically, all what the person needs to do is to complete a simple task and you get paid. So if you find any value in this video, please leave a like below. I really appreciate it and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.